What's up, everybody? It is 12:22 on November 22nd. That's a lot of twos if you do the math on the calendar. Anyways, in the background you can see that's my condo where I stay at. It's a beautiful condo. It's called Ideal O2. It's in the heart of Bang Na. I'm at the Bang Na BTS station right now. I'm on my way to Asok. I'm going to transfer to the MRT Blue Line, go to Praram Cow Station, aka Central Rama 9. I'm going to go buy myself a laptop cooler thing, or I don't know what you call it, just call it a cooler. And I'm going to go buy some clothes at Decathlon, and I'm hopefully going to stop at one of the Muay Thai factory outlets and get some boxing gloves. So I got a lot of stuff to buy. Hopefully I can use my Visa card because it's a lot of cash that I got to drop. Oh, I'm also going to do some currency exchange. I'm going to do that at the top of Praram Cow Mall. I think that's the best exchange rates over there. So come with me. We're going to have a good day today. We're going to explore some things we've never seen before. We're going to ride the BTS. We're going to have some good lunch. Maybe have a beer somewhere, someplace. I doubt it. Drank a lot of beer yesterday, so we're just going to probably take in the sights and hopefully get back on track soon. So anyways, let's go. We're at the MRT station. So what I do is I take from my stop, I take the Bang Na stop or Udom Suk stop to Asok. From Asok, get off, you follow the signs, straightforward, just follow the crowd, just like sheep, and then can't miss it really. And I'll go to Central. In English it'll say Central Rama 9, but if you say that they won't understand you, so you say Praram Cow. Pra means central, Ram is the name of the king, and Cow is 9. Praram Cow. Simple. Come to one of these spots, buy yourself a ticket, follow the crowd, go downstairs, and you're there. So behind me here is the Metro Mall. It's a nice little spot. It's kind of overlooked when you get to this part of town. You can find some good deals in here. We're just do a quick little walkthrough so you know what it looks like in case you're ever in this part of town. It's cheap food. Looks like a lot of locals are in this part of town getting their hair done, just eating. So this is one thing you don't really see, and if you're into bodybuilding and training, you can get your gear here, if you know what I'm talking about. That's what he got. You don't see many proteins. It's a cool anime store right there. Fresh market. This is a model store. If you're into that stuff, you got all your models of Gundam, all that stuff. I don't know what I'm looking at when I see that, but yeah. Those colognes are going for about 50 bucks, 60 bucks, not bad. And boom, and you're out. And if you go right here, it takes you right into Central Rom 9. That's where I'm heading first. This side will take you to where I'm gonna go the other side. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna film too much shopping. I'm gonna do my shopping and then just maybe get a little bit glimpse of it. All right, I'm running out of battery. That's why, mainly. Let's go. By the way, the amount of food in this area, this Central Rom 9 is just insane. All these things behind me are all vendors, and everywhere along the walls are more food places. And then there's food courts, and then there's cheaper food courts. It's ridiculous. So if you're hungry, save your appetite for this place, and you can get anything you want, basically. Anything's available here. And it's all pristine. Everything is clean as can be. Look at this. Look how beautiful that is. Just so perfect. Except for that one fly. But other than that, absolutely perfect. How it's arranged. Wow. Look, just flawless. Flawless. So today's lunch is pork knuckle, crispy pork, and rice. And he gave me a little bit of extra little bits and bits there. It was a whole entrail option. I don't know if my stomach is ready for intestines and stuff like that. Entrails, I don't know if I've been promoted to that level yet. So anyway, quick lunch, need to fuel up. Then we're gonna go to Fortune Town, which is right across the street there. Okay, we're gonna buy this laptop cooler. Took me a long time to get my money exchanged. And then go to Decathlon and Muay Thai shop for gear. And then home. Hopefully I don't have to carry too much stuff back at the crib or on the train. Let's go. So this is Queen Circuit Station. Gonna plug in my GPS, figure out which way to go, and then we off. Well, I made it. I made it. The Muay Thai shop is right behind me. I got traffic coming right at my face right now. Not exactly safe spot to be. It's like two blonde foreign girls right there. And we're gonna go take a look inside, see if we can get some gloves and shin guards for a decent price, then go to Decathlon. I'm always gonna go to Decathlon first and get all that spending out of the way, because I'm hot, it's hot out, it's 2 o'clock. overdressed, and go get some aircon, go check it out. Let's go. Yellow Roof Bar. This is off Sukhumvit, near the Punawati BTS station. BTS station for all my English speaking people. For all my Thai speaking people, it's BTS. BTS. Anyways, the BTS Punawati station. I'm at the Yellow Roof. They said it was a rooftop bar on Google. It was rated a 4.2. It's not really a rooftop bar. They kind of lied. It kind of is, but it isn't. You know, it's only about 5 or 6 stories high. There's no elevator, so you got to climb upstairs. It's a very hidden little entryway. It looks like the building is completely under construction and nobody lives in the building at all. So it's 5 flights of vacancy, and then you get to the top. I had to ask somebody how to get here. It was not easy. I was walking in circles for about 15-20 minutes in this area, and then I was in the spot where I was a little bit nervous, like wondering, is this really the spot? and I saw a young lady, beautiful lady by the way, walking into the staircase, and I'm like, hey, do you know where this yellow roof bar is? She goes, oh yeah, it's up. I'm like, oh okay. So I just walked up the stairs, 5, 6 flights later, sweating my shirt off, and we're here. But I don't like it. It's not like it's a bad place. If you haven't noticed from the video before, the BTS station is literally eye level to where I'm at. So I guess what makes it cool is, like, imagine you're coming to this station, right? You come to Punawiti station and you see a whole bunch of people here. Then you might want to come here and be like, oh shit, it's popping, there's a big party, let's go. That's probably what this caters to, the people getting off the BTS. There is food here. I don't think I'm going to eat. I'm not really going to go as far as test the waters here, but they do have a wide selection of alcohol and beer. They did have a Singha, what was it called? Singha Classic? I don't know what it was. It was a different type of Singha, but it was, oh, Singha Signature. Singha Signature. And it was a better version of the Singha, I'm not going to lie. Anyways, I'm going to be relocating here in just a minute. I don't know where I'm going to go. Hopefully to another rooftop bar. Unfortunately, I missed the sunset today. So much walking. Went to the Muay Thai shop. Went to, bought a cooling pad for my laptop. Did currency exchange. It was a long day. I'm already at 16,000 steps. So in the background, you could see some nice condos being built. And here in Bangkok, there's condo being built every month, literally. So it's probably one of the greatest cities in the world. I would love to live here, I would love to work here, and you know, maybe I speak it into existence here and now. So if you're watching these videos and you think I have a future here in this city and you know a way to help me out, look out for your bro. Send me a message, comment below. Again, I'm not going to try to do too much fake stuff. I'm just going to show you my journey, and hopefully you learn something, because I'm learning something, and as I learn, hopefully you all learn, and we all learn together, you know, because there's a lot of videos I've searched and they kind of, they're more specific, but they're not as, I don't know, just take these videos for what you will. All right, we're gonna move out in about 15-20 minutes, well actually about 5 minutes. I'm gonna pay this bill. I'm gonna show you the sketchy ass staircase, and I'll have a little laugh, okay? So let's go, come with me. Now, here's super good. queso.
Okay.
It taps me. Guys, welcome back. It's another day, another night in Bangkok. I'm here at the Prakanong BTS station. That's right there behind me. Boom, boom, boom. It's a pretty happening spot right here. You can see a lot of the ladies getting ready to go to their spots for work, if you know what I'm saying. But what we're doing here today is we're going to Okinawa Kinjo. It is a traditional Japanese restaurant. It looks really good. I don't know, my gut is telling me just go sushi today, so we're gonna go. Let's go. I think this is it. Let's go see. It's a bit crazy right here. Double check here. I think so. It's in Japanese. All right, let's go. These prices are amazing. Check this out. 200 baht, 250, 200, 200. Oh God. Looks incredible. The menu just keeps going and going and going. Oh my God. I don't even know where to start. There's so much food. Lunch, lunch sets. Are we coming here for lunch? Sure. Okay, let's get cracking. So I ordered a side draft and this Okinawan Japanese chicken for 139 baht. Is this special? Got a small salad for about 6 baht. Check this out. I ordered a hot sake. Look what they put that in. So cool, dude. That is so cool. This works here. Thank you so much.